Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Mariah is looking like the Michelin Man today.
God, I do.
Because it's -1 degrees. This should be the last little spell of cold weather for a while. So actually,
Temperature's going up
this is the
tomorrow.
coldest it's going to be until late in the year. Plan today is the rest of the bathroom knocked out, and then all along this wall knocked out, all along that wall. Maybe take out the burner here. Got a big pile of junk amassing here, so at some point take that to the tip. Keep stripping out.
Just keep going.
Keep on keeping out. Get on with it.
Yes.
Box it. Boom.
Love is so.
Mariah's just pulled this wall off, and shock horror, sunlight, 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 sunlight. This side of the boat is very rusty
Quite close to the waterline
and
as well.
full of holes. Yeah, interesting. It looks almost like here, like there's been a bit of damage to the superstructure. All the more reason why you've got to strip a boat out when it's old. Don't know why this is so bad on this side. To be fair, we're not quite at the point where we're doing the other side yet, so it might be the same on the other side. But good that we found it. Good that we're going on a welding course. We're going to need it.
Lessons always come when you need them. Wounds always heal when you bleed them. Pain is a friend, the beginning is an end. All this time is only meant to be. So after all, so it's
We're back on track. As you can see, that is a fairly empty boat now. We've just got rid of all the junk that's in the van that's going to go to the tip. Apart from this wall here and the toilet, is the only thing that's left for the whole of the superstructure section. So, lekker bezig, Mariah.
Lekker bezig.
That means good work in Dutch. We're basically on to stripping out the kitchen now. It's the last thing to be stripped out.
And the bathroom.
And the end of the bathroom, yeah. The last bit of the bathroom.
Stepping in my pile.
Stepping in the pile of dirt, yeah. One more tip run and then good day's work. A bit of lasagna tonight.
Yay.
And a bit of Olympics. Yes! We're at the tip. Unloading a van load of stuff. Washing machines, wood, cooker, loads of stuff. But getting there. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.